Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a recent update in Discord that makes our chatting experience even better. Yes, we're talking about how to enable underlined links on Discord for PC. This can help you easily spot hyperlinks in your messages, making browsing and clicking much smoother. Let's jump right in. First things first, we need to open Discord. Go ahead and launch the app on your PC. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials and get ready to tweak some settings. Once you're in and looking at your server or chats, you'll see a gear icon at the bottom left corner of your screen, which represents user settings. Click on that gear icon to proceed. Now, in the user settings menu, you'll find a list of options on the left. Look for accessibility. It's typically located toward the bottom of the menu. Click on it to open the accessibility settings. Here's where the magic happens. In the accessibility settings, you'll see an option labeled Always Underline Links. It's a very handy feature that makes all hyperlinks clearly visible. Simply toggle this option on. Once it's activated, you'll notice that all links in your chats will now be underlined, making them easier to spot. And that's it. You've successfully enabled underlined links on Discord. Now, anytime someone shares a link, it'll be clear and easy to recognize, enhancing your overall chat experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Discord. Happy chatting!